Oh, I turned off the cap.
How long has it been doing that for?
Last week. Since Monday I started, and then this couple of days, then it happened.
Oh, okay. Were you able to count the red flashes?
Yeah.
Did you count them?
Yeah, 9.
9. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I have the menu, and I look.
Yeah. You sure it was 9, right?
Yeah.
9? Okay. Red, still flashing 9 times?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, 9 times is the chamber sensor.
Oh.
So that's the chamber sensor.
Oh.
So yeah, we'll put a different. It says right here.
Oh, that one is it.
Chamber sensor error. Yeah, 9 times. So we'll yeah, that's all right. So we'll change the chamber sensor. We'll put a different chamber sensor on.
Okay.
So I'll shut it down. All right. So I'll get that changed out. And then.
Yeah, and then I usually, when I light the pilot light, I should the fire to be come up when it turn, right?
Yeah, the flame looked good. The flame looked good. So that's what happens is it eventually picks up that chamber sensor, but we'll take a look at it
Okay.
and see what's going on.
So I'm gonna have to change the whole thing because there's no leak, man.
No, it's not leaking. I think you're still under warranty because of the year. The year's 2020. So you still have a warranty on it. So you can always contact Rheem, or you can, return it. Probably got it at Home Depot.
Yeah, I kind of hope.
Yeah, you can. Usually they keep it on that information on file, so you can return it and get a different one if it happens again. If you contact Rheem, they'll send you parts.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
but today we'll change the part out.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Yeah. I think there's a.
Normally you work for the company, and afterwards you work for yourself.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So I work all day.
The company starts early morning?
Yeah. Yeah. Early in the morning. And I got off a little bit earlier today, so.
Good. So your specialty is water heater and anything else?
Not really. I fixed a dryer the other day, but that was kind of fun.
All the appliance? No? Special on the water heater?
Pretty much just water heaters, yeah.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
Next time I call you.
Yeah. You got 2 houses?
Yeah, the top and the bottom.
Oh, okay.
That was a long time ago. Since they didn't have the street.
Yeah. You must have pretty good parking because you're at the end of the street, huh?
Yeah. But before it's no street. Just rock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And now the city they make the whole street. They make
Right.
the park. The baseball park out there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. They have it before they make the freeway.
Oh, so you've been here a while.
Yeah. Before they have 40th Street.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember when that... What year did they do that? Late 90s, maybe?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, that was crazy. I couldn't imagine it not being there.
80 something, yeah.
Oh, okay.
1980.
Are you retired?
Okay.
You retired from work?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm 72.
Oh, really? Wow, you don't look 72.
Yeah, all my life. Born in 1952.
Wow, you look good for 72. I would have said maybe early 60s, maybe.
Yeah, I'm 72.
Yeah, that's good.
Came here when I was 16.
Where from?
Thailand.
Oh, okay. You miss Thailand at all or no?
Yeah.
A little bit? Oh, you go back?
and forth,
Oh, okay.
Especially when I was on the 50. I was back and forth. 6 months here, 6 months there.
Oh, okay. It's a long flight, huh?
Yeah, 22 hours. Take that.
Woo. That's too much time on a plane. That's way too much time on a plane.
Have you been there?
No, I heard about it. I've never been to Thailand.
shot, huh?
Huh?
Just one tip.
Just one, yeah.
Oh.
I don't have to hold it.
Yeah, I have to read. Oh, what the hell to do this?
Yeah.
I hear the sound.
Where do you like your heat? You like it in the middle or hot? B, yeah. B's good. B's right in the middle.
Yeah.
Well, that should do it. I mean,
right.
just call me. Here's the old one.
Okay.
So here's the old one. You
Okay.
can always call Rheem if you want. You can call Rheem and with the number and say, hey, you know, it's tell them it's still flashing.
Okay.
And maybe they send you new parts, you know.
Okay.
And then you'll have them if you need them again.
Okay, that's it.
That's probably
okay,
good.
What's the damage?
Let me check. Yeah, it looked fine.
Yeah.
It looked good. It didn't look, you know, less than. It didn't look dirty when I pulled it out. I cleaned it a little bit. But the only way you're really gonna know is if you make it past 24 hours.
Yeah, yeah.
And then 2 days or 3 days, then you're probably in the clear.
All right.
So other than that,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I suggest you call Rheem. You get some backup parts. It'll be free.
Okay. Okay.
And you want to call them in the morning because they're on the East Coast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, that was a quick service call. That was a code 9 or a 9 flash or a fault code 9 on a 30-gallon Rheem water heater. So that's a bad chamber sensor. So we just replaced the chamber sensor with a different one, with a one that we know works. And I told him to call Rheem and report it to them under his warranty, and they can send him some backup parts. So I didn't actually see the 9 flash, but he told me it happened, you know, he would start the water heater, he'd come out the next morning, it would be cold, and it was flashing 9 times red. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel, and have a great day.